Our first season was pretty amazing, I think. We started pessimistically optimistic, thinking that, yep, people will come. We have this great thing. And people did come. And we had lots of people down the river. I'm Michelle Cordwell-Steen, a director of King River Rafting. Paul had this intrigue about the King River.
King River, when we were growing up, was this mystical place.
So I said to Paul, OK, take me down the King. And I was just in awe of this beautiful river. We were paddling down this river and I'd say, take me over there. There's all these hue and pine everywhere. I just wanted to touch them. And so we set on this journey to start King River Rafting.
As soon as you come into Queenstown, you see the West Coast Wilderness Railway. And that's where the adventure starts. And you mix the West Coast Wilderness Railway into the rafting and, yeah, it's a day you'll remember for a long time. You tell your grandkids.
I just say to people, come, we have all the gear and a smile is mandatory.